welcome to our channel Farmer Geeks. With a motive, we grow together. Humic acid increases the water infiltration and water holding capacity of the soil. They greatly improves the soil, increases plants root growth and metabolism, enhances seed germination and helps plant deal with environmental stresses. They remove odors in slurry and compost piles and keep irrigation lines clean. Humic acid neutralizes acidic and alkaline soils, regulates pH values of soil, increasing their buffering abilities, and has extremely high cation exchange properties. Benefit improves and optimizes uptake and nutrition and water holding capacity simultaneously. Plants growth with rich organic and mineral substances. Humic acid is Earth Smart Solution is in Western Canadian distributor. Humic acid and fulvic acids are the final break down constituents of the natural decay of plants and animal materials. These organic acids are found in prehistoric deposits. Humic matter is formed through the chemical and biological humification of plant and animal matter, and though the biological activities of microorganisms, humic acids are complex molecules that exist naturally in soil, peats, oceans, and fresh waters. Earth Smart Solution products combine organic ingredients such as humic acid, kelp, and yucca to maximize the crop yield with no harm to the environment. Our innovative and eco-friendly products are designed to meet the needs associated with sustainable environment. Benefits of humic acids. The benefits of the humic acid and fulvic acids can be grouped into 5 main categories: physical, chemical, biological, economical, and ecological. Physical benefits. Humic acids modifies the physical structure of the soil, which produces the following benefits. It improves the soil structure. Light sandy soil, humic and acids increase soil's nature and water holding capacity. Heavy and compact soils, clay helps soil to loosey, creating losers. Clumsy soils, which improves the penetrations of the nutrients, plants, roots, and water into the soil. Water retention capacity and improves soil. Increases water holding capacity of the soil. Improves drought resistance of soil. Darkness colors of the soil, which helps in absorption of the sun energy. Humic chemical benefits is humic chemically change the fixations properties of the soil. Humic acid neutralizes acidic and alkaline soils. Optimizes the uptake of the nutrients and water holding capacities. Stimulates the plant's growth with its rich organic mineral substances. Helps to retain water soluble in organic fertilizers in the root zones. Enhances the uptake of nitrogen by plant. Reduces the availability of toxic substances in soils. Biological benefits. Stimulates plants enzymes and increases their production. Stimulates growth and proliferation of desirable microorganisms in soils. Enhances plants' natural resistance against diseases and pesticides. Stimulates root growth, especially vertical, and enables better nutrient uptake. Increases vitamin and mineral content of the plants. Thickens cell walls in fruits and prolongs their storage and shelf life. Increasing germination and viability of the seeds. Stimulates Plants' growth, increasing quality of the yields, improves their physical appearance and nutrient value. Economic benefits, up to 70% increase in yield, accompanied by a reduction of up to 30% in the use of the fertilizers and pesticides, better and healthier growth of green grass, ornaments, agriculture crops and wood, with the regular applications of the quality humic acids, increases water holding capacity of soils sustainably, reducing the use of water. Ecological benefits, reduces water contamination. Soils with a high content of humic acids encourages low nitrate leaching and optimum nutrient efficiency. A well-developed root system which is achieved by a high content of humic acids prevents nitrate and pesticides from mixing with the groundwater. Often grower uses more fertilizers than plants can take up. This leads to nitrate concentration in the soil, which is later found in groundwater, causes water contamination. Humic acid reduces over salination problems in applications of water soluble minerals fertilizers. Humic acids are able to decrease high salt contents in the soil and resulting toxicity, especially the NH4 toxicity of fertilizers containing ammonia is reduced, which is of great importance for young plants. Generally, humic acid reduces roots burning, which comes about through excessive salt concentrations in soil after fertilization. Also, when humic acids are mixed with liquid fertilizers, the undesirable smell is diminished. Humic acids are an effective means to fight against soil erosion. This achieved by increasing the ability to soil to colloids to combines and by enhancing root system and plant development. Humic acid and its benefits have been certified by many international organic agricultural institutions. Thank you for watching our channel. Please do subscribe with us.